Greetings fellow food explorers and welcome back to our kitchen. I hope you're hungry because today we are diving into a mouth-watering journey to discover the difference between two breakfast classics, Belgian and regular waffles. Can you already envision sinking your teeth into their sweet, buttery goodness? As we compare their origins, textures, recipes and ideal toppings, think about what your ultimate dream waffle looks and tastes like. Crispy and thin for easy snacking or thick and fluffy to cradle rivers of syrup. The Tale of Two Waffles. Belgian waffles trace back over 200 years to 19th century Belgium, where vendors attracted long lines for their sweet-scented waffles cooked on cast-iron grids over an open fire. The aroma wafting through the streets was irresistible. These waffles became so iconic that by the 1964 New York World's Fair, they had their own special pavilion. Regular waffles, Belgium's simpler cousin, date back even further to the 10th century when they were a show of wealth and status, with specialized irons used to brand them with family crests. While both waffles were popularized at world fairs, regular waffles stayed more low-key over the centuries. Appearance and texture. When it comes to looks, Belgian waffles are the glamorous supermodels of the waffle world. Picture them as thick, fluffy, cloud-like pillows with lovely golden pockets just begging for pools of maple syrup and dollops of butter to settle into all those nooks and crannies. Regular waffles are more like thin, crispy models, less flashy but still beautiful in their simplicity. Their slim figure makes them easy to grab and go for busy mornings. When taking a bite, Belgian waffles have an airy, cake-like texture, while regular waffles provide a crispy, satisfying snap. Now here is top tip number 1 for unlocking the secrets to the perfect Belgian waffle texture. I'll share another pro technique halfway through our exploration. But first, let's unravel the mystery of their distinct flavors. The key ingredients are similar: eggs, milk, flour, sugar, but it's the mixing method and proportions that make all the difference. Ready to have your taste buds explode? We're over halfway through now in understanding the battle. Does your perfect waffle vision now feature light, fluffy stacks or thin, crispy snacks? Belgian waffles seduce your senses with subtle hints of vanilla in the batter plus extra milk, eggs and butter, creating a complex sweetness. You'll often see them topped with vibrant mixed berries, chocolate sauce, or even a decadent scoop of ice cream to complement their rich profile. Regular waffles take a more innocent approach by letting the toppings shine with their neutral-flavored canvas. They welcome both sweet additions like peanut butter and banana slices or savory temptations like fluffy scrambled eggs and crispy bacon bits. Now for top tip number 2 to take your Belgian waffles to the next level, the flip. Doing a halfway flip ensures even cooking, sealing in that fluffy center while still allowing the exterior to get ultra crispy and golden brown. Listen for that sizzle. What about the waffle iron itself? Does that impact the tasty outcome? You betcha. Belgian waffles require a deeper, large grid iron to support their thicker batter and signature air pockets. Regular waffles happen in a thinner, compact iron, which gives them that lovely crispness. But you can achieve a hybrid texture by making Belgian batter in a classic iron. Simply increase the rising agents and reduce liquid slightly while keeping a close eye on cook times. We're nearing the end of our belly-busting battle. Are you now craving the buttery sweetness of Belgian waffles, or the sneakable crisp factor of regular waffles, or perhaps a hybrid of your own creation? No matter your preference, remember that both classics have earned their place at the table. I hope I've equipped you to distinguish between them in just one bite, and even get creative in the kitchen yourself with custom shapes, textures and toppings. Let me know in the comments below which waffle you'll be making first, or if you'll dare to take the waffle adventure to savory flavor territory. However you decide to explore, I wish you happy snacking and sweet dreams of waffles tonight. For more culinary curiosity, be sure to like, subscribe and stay tuned.